Alright guys, I want to give you some information on the 17 and newer KTM and Husqvarna 2-strokes and the electric starter motor. So, like this one failed, and if you want to know why it failed, that'll be a separate video, so look for that on the channel. But as far as replacing it, if you read the KTM tech manual, it will tell you to remove the engine from the frame completely and put it on an engine stand. There's been various debate about whether it could be done in the bike, and I can tell you that it can be done in the bike because I just did it. There's the new one in there right there. But to do it, you're gonna have to take out the motor mounts, the top motor mounts, the swing arm pivot. You're probably going to want to loosen up a couple of these hoses. You have to take the spark plug cap off, this cap off. You're going to have to pop the subframe, disconnect the throttle body, and then it's probably still going to take two people. You're going to need a pry bar, and somebody's going to be on the other side, and you're basically going to have to lift this motor. It's got to come up probably 3 or 4 inches before you are able to get that out. And before that starter motor can even slide out, you have to remove this bolt here and pull this collar that normally sits in here out, which is out right now because we are cleaning it. But yeah, so once you pull this collar out, then you'll be able to slide that starter motor out the other way if the motor is lifted up 3 to 4 inches. The problem is, even once you get the motor lifted up and you bypass this, it wants to hit the frame here. So with all that being said, I would really just recommend just go ahead and take off the other hoses, a couple more snaps, and just take the whole thing out of the frame. Put it on a bench, or if you have a motor stand, flip it upside down. It's going to make the job way easier. It's not even really worth trying to keep it. You know, you see I had to take the wheel off, so it's not even really worth trying to keep it in the frame. I don't recommend it, but it can be done. It's a heck of a job. So yeah, good luck. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.